Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a salad which you can eat cold or hot. First of all, you'll need to cut some cucumbers. I'm using 4, however you want. Then 2 tomatoes cut into slices of 4, this way. Grate 1 carrot. And chop half of a cabbage. Then add some green onion. Now let's prepare the meat. You can use any type of meat, like chicken or beef. Cut them into slices or squares. Add some salt and pepper and mix. Then let's fry the meat. In a bowl, add the cabbage, the meat, the cucumbers and the tomatoes and the carrot. And of course, the green onions. And mix it all together. And now let's do the sauce. You'll need 200 grams of yogurt, half of a tablespoon of salt, 2 or 3 garlic pieces, and some pepper. I'm using black pepper. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix it all together. And this is the sauce. You can plate it with the sauce or without, however you want. Also, you can eat it as a salad or use it like a burrito or a pita. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.